Welcome to Padu Motivations. This is my Tesla Model 3. I've owned this car for about 2 years. It's a 2023. And want to talk about the Tesla mobile experience. And at some point in time, whether you own a Tesla or about to own a Tesla, you will use the Tesla mobile app to for the mobile technician. Now, I've used it 4 times, as I mentioned. I used it for 2 upgrades and 2 maintenance issues. And I'm going to show you what I had to do for the maintenance issues. And I'm going to show you some pretty cool upgrades that I had done to my Tesla as well. Let's get into it. My first experience with the Tesla mobile service is I had a nail in my front right tire, actually a screw. And of course, I didn't want to drive it. I really wouldn't do anything like that. If this happened to a gas powered vehicle or a gas car, I would actually have to go to the service station, drive it or whatever. Well, with the Tesla mobile app, I just go right into the app. So go into the app, and all I did was click on service, okay, and then request service, and of course it was wheels and tires again, and they have all the different options. So I just hit replace tires because I knew I was going to need one, but they'll check it too. And then you can pick which one it was, hit next, and then it takes you right through the whole thing. The reason why I go in there is because what would happen if I went to a regular traditional, I would have to go to the dealership to actually get my car serviced. Number one, that's a lot of time. I got to drive to the dealership. I got to wait. Also number one, I have to call the dealership, or sometimes you can do it online. But this worked so much better. They replaced the tire, they did everything, they balanced it, and I was ready to go. Now, the second time I had used the Tesla mobile app was for a maintenance issue. The door in my door right here, the door jamb, or excuse me, the door switch broke on the driver's side right here. So that had to be replaced. And again, guess what? I went right to the app again, went to interior, and then I went to window function. And then all I did was type in what was the problem with the windows, and the door switch broke. Um, and of course, they came out, fixed it right here while I work from home. So I was actually I was in my office working. They texted me and said, I'll be there. First, I obviously set the appointment for a certain day, certain time. He texted me when he was 15 minutes away, saying that he'll be 15 minutes away. And then, sure enough, 15 minutes away, he pulled up, ready to go. It probably took him like 5 minutes to replace that. So that was, I mean, that really, if you think about it, that really saves you a whole lot of time. And it's totally different than traditional car dealerships when you have a mobile technician to come over and do the maintenance on your vehicle. Okay, next I'm going to show you what upgrade I had. My Tesla Model 3 used to look like this in the back, but now check it out. It looks like this. I had a Tesla mobile person come over and install my spoiler. This is my carbon fiber spoiler. They did a really good job. Came right in my garage and put it on. It was super duper cool, super duper convenient. I love it. And other than that, again, I would have to go to the dealership that for them to put it on, or I could have put it on myself as well. And with the Tesla mobile app, what you want to do is you want to go right to upgrades and accessories. That's all I did. And then you just want to talk about the type of other upgrades and accessories. And then you just type in, I want a spoiler installed. They'll give you the price, how long it's going to take, everything. So that's super duper cool. By the way, if you like content like this, if this helped you, please subscribe to my channel. And my fourth experience with the Tesla mobile app and a Tesla mobile technician coming to my house was Did an actual HEPA air filter replacement on my Tesla. He got access to it right over there. And it was the same deal. He probably was here, I would probably say less than 15 minutes. The next thing I had done on my Tesla Model 3 was illuminated door sills. And I'm going to show you. It looks really cool right now. I'm going to let you look at it. Look, that's really cool. They really did a good job. It just adds a little bit of classiness to the vehicle. At night, it looks really cool. It's like a head turner. So that was pretty cool. Well, there you have it, the convenience of Tesla mobile technicians and the convenience of the Tesla mobile app. So if you like content like this, please like, please subscribe.